Hello guys and welcome to another video in Scratch. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to draw your own backdrop. So let's start. So drawing a backdrop in Scratch is kind of easy, but it's like a medium round. So if you want to draw, you're gonna go to choose a backdrop and touch paint, which I did. So we want to do like maybe a sky, grass, or stuff. So let's go over here, do this, do that. Oh, the sky, not the grass. I'm always doing this. Okay. And this, and this. Okay. So we're gonna select the rectangle. And we're gonna drag from the top and all the way. Don't be afraid to get out of the line, it's fine. And also don't make it without an outline. So like it won't be really realistic. It will be just like all black or whatever color the outline will be. Okay, so how about we go to do the grass. Okay, so let's do the grass. So let's go over here and go over here, here, and here. Once again, I did a mistake, which is selecting the triangle, the sky, and letting it be sky. Why isn't it working? I want the blue one. I would always do this mistake. I don't know how and why and when. But I always do this mistake. I keep letting this triangle open. I don't know why. But enough talking. Let me just do the grass here and drag it out. Look how beautiful this is. So let's do the flower. Okay, to do the flower, we'll use a helpful tool, which is the brush tool. So we're gonna draw like this. And we're gonna make leaves. Okay, we're gonna fill it in with the bucket. There. Now, you want to do the flower. So I'm gonna make this yellow, bright, because the yellow is always bright. So be so careful so you don't mess the flower up. Like this now. Okay? There. Amazing. So now let's go back to the brush tool, and since now I'm gonna cut this part a bit. So yeah, look, I had to cut the part where I did this because I didn't want to make the video more longer than it already is. So yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, I did the flower. It's red and I love how it looks. So you can see you can add rocks by the circle tool. And now I'm gonna add the sun by the circle tool. You're gonna bring out a big one. I'll put it right over there. Make it out, like this. Outside. Doesn't it look good? Now we're gonna make this yellow. Like all suns. Or maybe sometimes you think the sun is yellow, sometimes it's not yellow. And let's add some clouds. Okay. Okay. Let's add more clouds to make it look like a really sky. Now fill it in. And this. And this. Okay. Now let's see. So I hope you enjoyed and learned in this video, and I wish you a great day and goodbye.